Guys, it's me, Saskin53, and well, I'm at my friend's, or more like neighbors, 4th of July party. And so I brought my lawn chair, no hot liquids, I keep my camera there, and I have my headband here because my hair is wet because I just got out of the pool. And we've been swimming for like 2 hours. I'm tired. And so I have Tiger Lily here, and they have a badminton net. I don't want to show anybody's face. And they have a volleyball net, and they have those all set up. So yeah, and I have my headband on my wrist, but I haven't already mentioned that. So yeah, pretty cool. But since I really don't have anything to film, I'm gonna save my battery life, and yeah, because they have a ton of fireworks. I mean, they have like a lot of fireworks, and I want to film that. So yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, set up a firework, and I had no idea. Scared the crap out of me. And also, I'm not losing my headband and hair tie anytime soon. Yeah, I can't wait for my hair to dry.
Nikki!
Yeah. Look at all those things for fireworks. Something tells me we are going to have fun. Okay, we are I played like volleyball for a while, and
What are you filming?
a YouTube video.
A what?
YouTube video, ever heard of it?
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways, so guys, look at all the fireworks. I think I might still... Yeah, I know. Look at these. And look at all those that they still have. This is gonna be awesome. So yeah. Woo! I can't wait. They've already set off a few, and
Here, can I hold it?
so yeah. I will see you guys later. Oh wow, it's loud.
I think the card cannot be read. What? The camera card cannot be read anymore for some reason.
What? Oh, that stinks. You get to miss out on fireworks. Oh well, Z. I have my camera. Woo! I'm the last
I
one.
guess the Baining got it.
Really? Woo!
There we go.
Oh wow. Oh.
Oh man.
Whoa.
The camera card cannot be read. It doesn't.
Firework. Woo!
Somebody got to record it?
Me?
Good job.
Haha. I are
I'm gonna have to get an
smart.
extra camera card. There we go.
Woo! I don't know how long this live show is going to go on, but this is awesome. Holy crap!
Yeah!
Woo! That was awesome!
Oh great, low battery on top of it.
This is not your night. Woo! Okay. Ah! Whoa! How's the whole thing for you?
It's working.
Awesome! You have a new YouTube video after 2 months. Wow! Oh wow! I love these big ones. I keep having to move my chair back too. Okay, you know what? Oh! All right. Yeah. These are really getting awesome, let me tell you. Come on. Yeah. Woo! Oh wow. Oh! I wonder if they're getting towards the end. Woo woo! Woo woo! Oh, you guys can't see it.
Do you bring Warren one of his Kool-Aid drinks?
Yeah!
I so wish my Zoom now. Oh, this is so epically awesome. Woo! Hands and fireworks! Oh yeah, this looks just so cool. Oh wow. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. There's so many fireworks to see me. Purdy! It's quite pretty. Oh, wow. Woo! I thought I was blocking the view for you guys, but that's my video. Oh, he freaking yaya. I said buoy freaking yaya. Yeah.
I think you're drunk. I think you're high too.
All I've drank today is water, so how can I be?
You're all jacked up on that food. All jacked up on water.
Okay.
Yo guys, all jacked up on that food.
I haven't really had that much sugar today. Ah! Woo! Woo! Okay, let's just enjoy the show. I know something. Bugs. Oh. I never mentioned this is my neighbor's 4th of July party, and it's July 3rd. Oh, after midnight it'll be the 4th. It's getting pretty close. Yeah. Whoa! Ah! Oh, so many fireworks! This is really awesome. If you look down there, it's like just all smoke. But you guys can't see the smoke. That's about my worst stuck in my head if I didn't lift it. Ah! Oh, yeah, you guys can't see the smoke. Oh well, there wasn't really much of a finale. Put the flashlights out, guys!
Uh-oh.
Oh, finale! Woo! Now this is the finale.
Connie.
Oh, wow! It's lighting up the wow! He knows how to do a finale! There's more, they're lighting them, see that little flame? Woo! Oh! This is even better than my firework video last year. And...
Oh, come on.
Yeah! Wow, yeah! Woo! 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 Come on, give him some mean.
There we go!
Woo!
Let's start with a good show! Good job, guys!
I know where my flashlight is.
Yay! He's smoking a cigarette while doing that. Good job.
Yeah, really. Shows my viewers what to do. Okay, so I think that's the end of the video. So I will see you guys there. Please comment, rate, and just comment, rate. So I will see you all in